Yes, what's going on, people? Season the Ting Podcast, episode 5. Look, it's been a while, guys, but we're here, we're back. Let's go.
Hey guys.
Yes.
It's been a while.
It has been a while still. Listen, sorry to the people them. But look, life happens, isn't it?
It's true.
Life happens, man. We're here though today. It's good to see everyone, you know. It's good to see you guys, man. So yeah, it's good to see you. Great.
Yeah, I see you all the time.
See you every day. But
Hey, have you noticed I've got a tan? Don't know if you can.
I was saying that. I was saying
Is it gone or?
I was saying your tan's kind of faded still.
Haters.
It's getting there. But what you've been away, innit?
Yes, I went to Jamaica, guys, and I'm still there in my mind.
Yeah.
I'm not here.
Mind, body and soul, you're still there.
I'm
Trust
still
me.
there.
I feel you. When I saw your pictures, I was thinking, I have to book my next flight there. I was actually looking at flights when you were there. The food that you were eating, the people you were seeing, the vibes, obviously the weather.
Yeah, it was
It looked
great.
amazing. Tell us about it, man.
So yeah, I went to Jamaica for just over 2 weeks. The last time I went to Jamaica was like 10 years ago, you know.
Is it?
Gosh, I feel old, you know, 10 years ago.
It's a long time.
Long time coming.
It goes so quickly though. Like people always ask, when was the last time you were back? You kind of have to think back. You know them ones.
Is it only until someone said, 10 years ago? I was like, oh yeah.
Yeah,
it was 10
exactly.
years. But yeah, I was there for just over 2 weeks. I stayed in Ocho and Montego Bay. Not my family are in Montego Bay. But I just had a great time. I was just eating out. Even though Jamaica's in curfew right now, like it wasn't affecting me, boy. Like,
Does Jamaica need you to be fully vaccinated?
Yeah, when I went there, you're only allowed to stay in like the like you don't have to be. I'm not. I wasn't. Yeah. I'm not.
You're not vaccinated. What? Not joking.
How you mean? Nah.
I ain't vaccinated either, by the way.
But yeah, you can be unvaccinated or not vaccinated, but there's rules for it, and you have to stay in the resilient corridors. So yeah,
I feel Jamaica's always on lockdown. Not lockdown, but everyone always on curfew.
Yeah, they're on curfew.
There's either something's happened, or there's like a state of emergency.
No movement on Sundays.
Yeah,
I feel
even before COVID.
Chill that life, innit?
Not even that, but you know there used to be a lot of sometimes there's some killing sometimes, or the
cross borders.
Cross borders and all of that. There's always something.
I was only allowed to stay in tourist areas.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can still go on holiday, but you got to stay.
Yeah.
But I think they hype it. It's like Jamaica's hardly got as much danger as anywhere else, to be honest. So I think they hype it.
Where you hear that from?
No, no, they got less. It's less, 100%, man. I think they just hype it. But anyway, that's another conversation.
It is. But what kind of food did you eat? What places did you go?
I tried to do a place called I got a confession, guys. I tried pork.
You did?
I don't eat
pork, yeah?
I don't eat pork, but I tried it.
Yeah, we got to try.
Don't tell my dad,
man.
right?
You have to, man.
He's probably watching, man.
But you know what? I feel like my experience got ruined. I went to the pork pit in Montego Bay, but I didn't go there at the beginning, so to get the pork fresh.
Have to.
So I got the end of day dry piece of
is
pork.
it dry? Oh man.
So I was thinking, damn it, man, that was my one chance.
That's not the
Oh,
one.
man, you should have went for first thing in the morning.
You have to.
In Jamaica, the people up early prepping
true.
On the pan.
Have you been there before, the pork pit in Montego Bay?
No, I heard about it.
Guys, when you go there, make sure you get the pepper sauce.
Yeah.
I know. Okay, yeah.
We probably did go there, but
we went to Pepperwood.
Pepperwood. It's called something different now. Yeah.
But yeah, it's a bit might be similar. It's like a hut where they do jerk chicken and pork on pimento wood.
Yeah.
Fresh.
It's beautiful.
Similar. Was that similar?
Yeah, they did it on the wood, and I had lots of conch as well.
Yeah. Oh my
gosh. Conch.
That when I went out there, I had the conch. Yeah. That thing is so
it's a
nice.
sea snail. I think that's what you call it.
Yeah, it's like a shell. It's basically like a sea snail. It's the flesh of the shell, and they kind of scoop it out and they grill it. They curry it. They do a lot of things with it.
We had it literally on the seashore, wasn't it?
By
the sea.
So
One
nice.
guy was selling it on what area? I can't remember what area.
I forgot what area, but they do it in every restaurant. If you see like the seafood area.
Yeah.
But I remember we saw it live.
Yeah, literally, some guy had it on the shore, like literally fresh on the beach.
Yeah.
He was making it.
He's grilling it. It looks so good.
Man.
It's similar to like lobster, I
man.
think.
Jamaica's amazing, man. Like,
I just love being in people's gardens and the fruits that's available.
Just pick it on the tree.
Pineapple, lime.
You have to go Sainsbury's, Tesco, and you get the unripe. Go Tesco, Sainsbury's, get some unripe fruit.
Unripe fruit.
That's not ready yet. Go to Jamaica, just pick it off the tree.
No, that is so annoying.
It's ready as well.
And you take it home, and after 2 days, it turns like grey and green.
Especially the avocados. Gosh.
Man, the avocados are small.
Oh my days.
Avocado in Jamaica.
I know.
As big as my head. No, I swear.
It's so true.
Man.
So true.
Why is that? Why is that though?
It's just, I guess, the climate, innit? It's the climate.
Yeah, it's the climate.
It
it's the weather.
allows it to grow a bit more.
Even that
when it gets transported,
soil is just so.
Yeah.
I don't know the texture. I don't know how to describe it, but it's just you look at it, and you just know, boy, some good fruit's gonna be growing in there.
And I think possibly as well when it gets transported, as I said, like from the plane and the lorries, it must get disintegrated.
Yeah,
it must change its color.
Yeah.
And change its size as well.
Yeah, and also it probably. The sizing of it doesn't allow it to grow to a level that it should grow in certain climates of the world. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Because it's transporting everywhere, like you said, bro, in every single van or different climates, cold, hot, then it's changes. So
I even saw like ginger because I've never seen ginger how the plant where it grows from.
Yeah, oh wow. I haven't seen it either actually.
Ginger.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for my video on that.
Trust me. Listen, ITEL is vital. You know? Yeah,
man.
Natural herbs. Any herbs? Yeah, you have any herbs? Is it fresh?
I did have some.
Yeah, fresh herbs,
my cousin's uncle Earl.
What kind of fresh herbs this time?
Well, I'm joking.
I'm keep it raw now.
Nah, if you ruin it, what do you have? The cake or the other herb?
I work for Transport for London. Okay, I wasn't doing any.
Yeah, you wasn't. Yeah, you wasn't.
I was having bush tea.
Yeah, that's it.
Time and that. Yeah, for real. That's not good
The Cersei.
Cersei. Long grass. Hey, yo, you have long grass as well. Lemongrass.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Lemongrass is hard.
Lemongrass. Uncle Barrington gave me that.
Uncle Earl, he was giving me that.
Uncle Earl. To put the H in front of the Earl.
Even though his name's actually Hartley, but we call him Earl.
Is it?
In Jamaica, everyone's got a name, like a nickname, isn't it? Like a name that they look like onion head or peanut head or something.
Fish head. If you look like something, that's what they're gonna call you. Yeah, if you're big, your name's Biggs.
Well, they used to call you Biggs, isn't it, Craig?
Yeah, they used to call me Biggs.
You used to be big, innit?
Yeah, they used to be. I'm still big, but
not big, bro.
Not as big anymore.
We're losing weight, bro. Even in the gym.
It's true. They should call me hench.
Even I'm in the gym now.
If you literally look like a fish, you're gonna be called fish. If you look like, I don't know.
If you look like a black person.
No.
Well, if you do something silly, you know.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're literal people. Jamaicans, Caribbeans, are literal people.
Yeah.
But you know what, guys? It's good to get away. You know what I'm saying? Like you're saying, you've been to Jamaica, as well as a holiday. I was seeing food. It was a nice break for you.
Listen,
you rest, you relax.
Oh my gosh. I love being by the water. So for me, just being by the ocean or any sort of natural water, just taking the moment in.
Yeah.
Love it. So I was happy.
Very important.
Had a good break.
Break from social media. Well, not social media, but break from life.
Yeah.
England.
I was even thinking, can I bother to record content when I was out there? But I thought, I got to do it.
It's good to have breaks, man. Bro, you had a break as well last week?
Yeah, man. I try to take a couple of days off. Sometimes you just need that, just to reset, plan ahead for the future, because sometimes you're just running around everywhere, working. You forget about, doing your own life. Yeah. Just like life insurance and like pension, with the kids now. You got to kind of look into that a bit further, you get me? So, yeah, man. What about you, bro? You got one lined up?
I got 4 days next week off. Just take a break, rejuvenate.
Yeah,
it's important, man.
Totally. I felt a lot of people, especially I was speaking to in September, they all said they were getting tired.
Yeah.
A lot of people were getting tired. And that often happens, you know. Around like the 9th month, 10th month, people get really exhausted.
After summer.
Yeah, they get really exhausted. Yeah, man. So you just need that mental break and that physical break.
Entrepreneurs out there, I know Zaire, you can clap for this as well. Like it's very important to take breaks. Like if you're feeling tired, guys, take a week off, take a few days off, get a massage.
Yeah, it's needed.
Just do what you need to do. It's very important, guys.
Trust me. The massage is key, man. Once a month, man.
That's one of the reasons probably why we haven't done as much podcasts, guys. Apologies.
Due to their lack of massages.
Life happens sometimes, innit? You know what I'm saying? Some things happen in life, but we're here. We're here today. So
obviously we've been busy as well. Not just massages, but we've been busy with other stuff as well, recipe writing, but also just. I'm looking forward to Christmas, man.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to it, man. I can't even lie. This year, this seems a bit different, but in a good way and also a bad way for us, because unfortunately our auntie passed, and she was always at our Christmas functions,
Auntie Angela.
Christmas parties.
Yeah,
man. So it's gonna be strange, but you know, I know she'll want us to keep the party moving. You get me? So that's what we gotta do. So you get me?
That's it. So Christmas time, boy.
Christmas time, boy.
How long we got now? A month.
What's the date now? November the what?
It's November 11th.
It's not the date, but it's
it's like maybe about
month,
8 weeks.
November
8 weeks to go.
The 12th today.
Not 8 weeks. Yeah, 6 weeks. About 6 weeks to go.
So have you made your decisions on what you're cooking for Christmas?
That's a good question. You know?
What cooking for Christmas? What are going at Christmas?
You know?
Where are we going? Like, where we
going? You know what?
Whose yard is that this year?
Mum's yard. It's always mum's yard. That's default.
Yeah.
You get me? So for me, I can't do the turkey.
Yeah.
Turkey cannot be on my plate. It's just too nah, man. I like turkey the next day when it's fully marinated.
Okay.
Fully marinated and in a sandwich, like a hard-dough bread sandwich. Like hard-dough bread.
Yeah.
Cranberry, turkey, fried chicken, coleslaw, everything on that.
I think I've noticed in the African Caribbean, turkey's not that essential.
Yeah, it's not a lot of turkey.
No, you get your chicken in there, you got your rice, if you're African, you got jollof rice, your coleslaw.
It's true, man. It's too dry, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not curry goat, maybe jerk.
Yeah, it's too dry.
Sorrel, rum punch, Guinness punch, rum cake.
Yeah, man. Oi.
Very vital.
Last year I cooked most of the dinner.
Is it?
Yeah, for the first time. I did lamb, salmon. I did the salmon from your recipe. Actually.
Oh yeah. The whole one.
The honey jerk.
Did it work? Yeah.
Yeah, it did.
Nice, I love it when people make the recipes that actually works.
Great.
Then sometimes you make it and think, right, it's gonna work. Like, people gonna make it, it's gonna come out right.
Yeah, I did
big
my
up,
lamb.
It's true. So big up everyone when you send in pictures of our recipes. It literally touches our heart, innit? Because sometimes we're thinking, yo, does this really work?
It works.
For others, anyway.
Even my mum used your ackee and saltfish recipe once. Like,
Oh, big up, man, big up. And that's you can't miss out ackee and saltfish in the morning. I swear we see like every timeline or every like story on Christmas Day, ackee and saltfish, every single Caribbean person. That's like a necessity, man.
It's essential in the morning. Imagine like ackee and saltfish in the morning. That's the starters of the day. You know, you never get started. Then you have your little mid morning snack. I don't know what it could be. You could snack peanuts.
Nah, I was eating that all the time in Jamaica.
When people come over.
The peanuts is key still.
Something about Christmas. I just need to wake up early. I don't know what it is from young. It's just something like wake up early.
Yeah.
So we've got kids now as well.
Yeah, you know, there was a stage. There was a stage, maybe when it was like 19, where you just woke up late.
Don't care about
that bothered. You know what I mean? When you were younger, you wake up early. Then you got to like 15, 16, 17. Start waking up late.
Even like 20s as well, like before you had kids.
Yeah, before you had kids. But then you get to like 25, you want to wake up early, so you make sure you cook.
Yeah.
You get me? Make sure you get the food. You get me before everyone else takes it.
True.
You get me? So it's key. What about you, Zaya? What are you looking forward to?
Do you know what? I'm looking for my auntie, Uncle Roy and Auntie Pauline. I said they were like the glue of the family, and if we have gatherings, it always be at their house. But they moved to Atlanta 2 years ago or 3 years ago. But so they're coming over.
What did they used to do?
Yeah, that and the clips as well.
Yeah.
Keep braining that.
So they're coming over on Christmas, so they'll be here. So that's
good.
So I'm looking forward to getting some of Uncle Roy's dumplings.
Okay.
But yeah, so I'm happy they'll be coming over. So
where's it going to be?
So I'm thinking it'll be at their daughter's house.
Okay.
But I'm not sure. I think no one's even said.
No one said, them one. No, you just get the ball rolling.
Now that I know that they're going to be here, I'm like, so are we having dinner at Serena's house then? Uncle and Auntie Pauline, are you making the dinner?
You got to hot people up, because some people, with Christmas, you need to make the plans. You need to get the ball rolling, because people would just not say nothing. Or just go to the default person's house.
Yeah, no one will say nothing. Until someone says something, that's when something happens.
But I do miss the old days though, when my grandmother on my mum's side, when she was alive, and we used to go to her house. But I don't have any grandparents now. But those were the days, man.
Those were the days,
Family.
Listen,
my mum got quite a big family.
Those were the days of everybody around the Christmas table. You come in, you see all your cousins at the front door. You get me, like playing around. You see the aunties and the uncles and. You know what I mean? Playing Monopoly or something.
So you got Auntie Janet come everyone bring their own speciality dish.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But
memories.
Change, isn't it? I guess.
That's what you miss though, man. It shouldn't change, but obviously that times change. It's 2021.
You know what I miss as well, yeah? You see the Caribbean yards, yeah? I always miss the Caribbean yards, how they look. I feel like our nans and that are the last generation of the look of the yards. You know, modern people want to change up the yards. You know what I'm saying? White walls and make it bright.
Yeah, it's true. I heard
But
that.
the generation of Caribbean yards, I think that's stopping now. I think the last generation is gone now.
Yeah.
Is that going to happen again?
No, it won't happen again.
It's kind of sad, you know.
It is sad. But I guess that's the time, innit? But
it's timing of times, yeah.
That's what we grew up with. You get me, the plastic on the sofas. You're not allowed to go into the.
I'm happy that's gone. We don't need no plastic.
There are certain rooms.
Ice cream container, the ice cream rice peas in there. I'm keeping that, you know. I'm keeping that. I don't care. I'm keeping that position. Ice cream, rice and peas in the ice cream container. That's staying.
Staying.
For Leo, bro. Nah.
You have to learn.
The ice cream, bro. You have to learn from now, bro. You can make ice cream, yeah?
No.
Rice and peas, bro.
But even like the rooms where you couldn't go into, the special rooms. You know those special rooms?
Yeah.
No one could go into, like the living room. But even on Christmas Day, no one could still go in. So if you got to go in there on Christmas Day, when else can you go?
On my to Pauling's house on Christmas Day, we was allowed in there.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
It was open.
Oh, right, that's good, man. So maybe that's our family then.
And the cabinets as well, man.
Yeah, the cabinets needed. Even the cabinets, like the crockery in there, you couldn't even use it on Christmas Day. Did you use it?
Wait, I need to think.
On Christmas Day.
It's been a while now.
Nah,
those cabinets, man.
You can't use that.
Can't use it. It's there all day, year round. Dust get collected. You open up. Say, what are you doing? Like, no.
Cabinets, isn't it?
It's for show. It's like
to
look good, isn't it?
Of course it is.
Running around and knocking it by accident, thinking, oh.
Yeah. All right, guys. So what, in terms of your plate, what's your plate looking like on Christmas Day? What has to be there? What's the top 3 things that has to be on your plate?
On Christmas?
Yeah, Christmas Day. Zaya, what are you saying?
Oh, well, there's always going to be, what meat is going to be there?
Top three. What's number 3?
There's going to be some sort of chicken on there.
Yeah.
For sure.
Okay. What chicken?
I need gravy. For sure.
That's 2.
This is a tough question. Oh my God.
It's tough. What's the first one?
3 is not enough.
No, but the top 3. I'm not saying just 3, obviously.
It depends who's making dinner, whose house.
Nah, all right, top 5 then. Top 5.
Top
5 things you need to have on your Christmas plate.
Someone's got poultry.
Yeah.
There has to be gravy on there. I want some roast potatoes. But there's always curry goat as well at Christmas.
Yeah, it is, you know.
It's a delicacy. It's one of the special times, you know, in Jamaica when they ring the net of the goat. Sorry.
Too drastic.
When I go to my
Too drastic
for Christmas, they always make turkey.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I think even though a lot of people don't like the turkey, you still have the turkey there sometimes.
That's the way you make the turkey. Bro. Trust me, like it's like anything. Like people say, my missus was like, I don't like mushrooms. But the way we make mushrooms, bro, he likes mushrooms, bro. It's the way you make it. You gotta make it moist. You gotta put the butter in there. You gotta make it moist. Put the jerk seasoning in there. Make it tender, juicy.
I feel like my answer was kind of rubbish. What do you have on your plate?
My top 5. All right, cool.
You said 3,
my top 5.
Oh, 5 now. Okay.
I've increased it to 5 now. So my top 5, it has to be coleslaw, homemade.
Okay. Yeah.
It has to be coleslaw. For me, it has to be the fine coleslaw, the finely grated one.
Oh, okay, yeah.
100% with sweet corn in there. So that's number 5. Number 4 has to be, wow. Number 4 has to be fried chicken.
Fried chicken?
Me, fried chicken. Anything fried chicken or fried fish.
Okay, yeah.
That'd be nice. Obviously,
anything
rice and
fried,
peas.
Yeah?
Not anything, but either those 2 things. Number 3, rice and peas. Number 2, I would say, you know, a little bit of stuffing, you know. It has to be.
Oh,
I know some people. I know the UK, it's a little English, but I think that gives a nice balance.
It's part of the balance.
It has to.
The Caribbean British kind of
man.
Caribbean British flavour.
And when that gravy hits in it.
Can I just brag about the stuffing that I made last year?
What's that?
I found a really good recipe and I made I put apricots and what's that green nut? Pistachio.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah. It's nice. Okay.
I made a really good stuffing. Oh my God. I just want to pick up myself, okay?
Yeah. You heard it here, guys. You're going to see the recipe. From
I find that recipe.
Coming back Christmas.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Yeah, okay. I can do that. That's a deal.
Sorry,
back to your plate.
Number 1. Oh, you know what? I might have to shift it to, for me, I have to have fried fish. Number 1.
I think fish is the thing at Christmas still.
Yeah, it has to be number 1, you know.
Fish is
it has to be number 1 still. Yeah, man.
I just need to have a bit of everything. Whatever I see,
a little bit of everything, innit?
It needs to be on my plate.
Say no more. Say no more.
At Christmas, it's one of them days at Christmas you need to have a little bit of everything. But another day, we like look at it like, wow, it's too much. At Christmas, it kind of just you get loud.
I need some sorrel at Christmas.
Oh, that's
sorrel
needed.
punch. Yeah, definitely.
That's
Rum cake. Guinness punch.
Guinness
professional
punch,
eater, mulled wine.
There's so much. Rum punch, that bro says. For me, carrot juice.
Oh,
that's number one. Carrot juice must be there.
Some people might be thinking some next kind of carrot juice, bro.
Oh yeah.
Nah. Let me clarify. Jamaican,
some
Caribbean carrot juice. Yeah, carrot juice with the condensed milk in there, with the nourishment, vanilla drink.
It's not just carrots and water, basically.
It could have been on
That's the beginning of the recipe. It's not the end.
Hey guys, tips here again. Put some of that carrot juice in a bottle, give it a shake, put it in the freezer for about
the freezer.
An hour.
The flavours.
Listen.
The marination.
Too nice.
Nutmeg.
Too nice.
Nutmeg,
ice
cinnamon.
cold. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. But then obviously Christmas Day, nice and good. But how many days after that? What is the... Obviously we like to have Christmas Day, Boxing Day plus 1, Boxing Day plus 2, and have Christmas dinner for the whole week. What is your cut-off point? The cut-off point. Okay, the cut-off point for me, it has to be like 2 days max. 2 extra days max. Nah, after that
it wouldn't be that last that long. Yeah, 3 days.
It can last.
For
No, as in like Christmas dinner. You know, you have Christmas dinner.
When I say
the whole fridge is just containers.
Yeah, containers.
Containers on the fridge. You know, open the fridge and just see all kinds of
But what's your cut-off point?
3 days.
Yeah, after the third day, you get a bit bored.
Yeah,
unless you freeze it.
Not you again.
Yeah. in January, vegan life, isn't it? Yeah.
It's true. It's true.
Trust me, though. But yeah, man, I love. You know what? Christmas is just happiness. I love it. I think I loved it so more since I had obviously my son, obviously kids, and it's more something to look forward to now. And yeah, man.
Nice dessert as well, guys.
Dessert.
Dessert.
What's your favourite desserts? Are you mince pies kind of person?
I don't mind it.
Mince pies is one of them things. Love it. I hate it.
I'm not mince pies.
It's just. I think it depends who made it. Because sometimes it's got like that kind of, what's the word, that in your chest feeling.
Yeah, I know what you mean. It's kind of. It's like a really what's the word? Bittery.
Or Mr. Kipling.
But Sean made some rum ones the other day. Yeah. You know, you use the mince that you have in rum cake.
Yeah.
With raisins and thing, you soak it. Sean put it in mince pies. Mad.
Yeah. Trust
recipe
me.
soon come.
Got a recipe of that.
I'll be looking forward to seeing that one.
Yeah, man.
It's nice.
Very nice. With mold and salt.
Never really made mince pie before. You usually get Mr. Kipling's and that, but make it yourself. Yeah,
man.
The pastry easy and there's a filling. You can use the same filling as I said. Brother said for rum cake.
Yeah.
The rum soaked in.
It's nice.
And that.
My mum made some last year as well, and because it was like her making it, I enjoyed it quite a lot rather than ones that feeling.
Yeah.
Some cream on there.
Yeah.
Nice.
It was nice.
You make some sorrel as well, innit?
Yeah, that sorrel wine.
Anyone the sorrel lover?
Guys, let's not get the name wrong. Professional eater mulled wine with a sherry and hibiscus blend. Okay.
Very, very nice.
The British flavour, yeah.
I need some of that mulled wine again, you know.
Yeah, stay tuned. I'll be posting next week because I'm gonna be doing it.
I think next podcast we'll bring it on and we'll
that'll be good.
We'll drink it throughout the podcast.
Oh yes.
Yeah, so definitely we need that back, man.
We'll bring it on next podcast.
We need that back.
Yeah, man.
So what is the things that you dislike about Christmas? Like for me, I know because you guys
he's ready.
Because you're not sure. You know, though sometimes you kind of, you know, when you go to someone's house for Christmas Day, and then I don't know, like that feeling of
they give you a rubbish present. I'm joking.
No, they're expecting something from you, like. You kind of give it to you go to your aunt's house, your nan's, and you see everyone there, and you give a present to your nan, and then your cousin looking at you like, or your auntie's looking at you like, so where's mine?
Where's mine? You can't get it for everyone.
It's true.
I think usually when you get a present, you have a selective. Right, you're getting for this person, that person, that person.
Yeah.
But this year it might be less, boy. Like, I think it's going down every year. But I think the fact that the presence is there, not presence, is your being there.
100%.
Not presence is more important. So,
and the way
from this COVID season,
I feel like the way how you gift when you get older, whereas if you're going to households now as an adult, you might just bring alcohol
or
or food or something.
Yeah, you're right, bro. I think everyone's just gonna be just happy and grateful to just be alive.
That's it. I think that's the most. Be alive.
Yeah.
Be in your presence. Be around each other.
Because this year has been tough, man.
It's gonna be so tough, bro. Like Auntie Angela's not gonna be there.
Yeah, I know.
Like, it's mad. Auntie Angela used to be there every year. You said it before, bro. You're making rum punch with us, making Guinness punch with us. There at early, the first person there. So we're gonna have a little silence for her.
Yeah, man.
And her life, you know. Big up Auntie
man.
Angela. She's in heaven now, watching down on us. So
yeah, man.
Big up.
And I'm sure a lot of people as well, like.
Yeah, a lot of people.
A lot of people will probably be having Christmases this year with our aunties, with our cousins for the first time.
Yeah.
And it's tough, it's tough. It's so tough, and it's just unthinkable just not to have them around, But yeah, keep the ball rolling.
Nanny's gonna be there though.
Yeah, man.
Nanny, Nanny Mitchell. Yeah, man. Love Nanny. She's been a bit ill recently. She hasn't been 100%.
Yeah, she hasn't been.
But just keep her in your prayers, guys. She'll be fine. She's strong.
Yeah, man.
I should get there, man.
Defo.
Do you know what I forgot to mention? This is a film though. I just like having a good film. That's good. When you're feeling slumped from the food, good film with the fam.
That's true.
With more leftover carrot juice if there's still some left. Because everyone's drank that up already.
Listen, Zach, I hear that, after you eat that meal, bro, you're slumped in that sofa. Usually I'm on my bed just lying down.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about the day I had.
Yeah.
Sometimes more time I have an early night,
Yeah, it's true.
Usually I'm having early nights, but.
But sometimes, you know what? When you get to that stage, you just eat for no reason as well.
Yeah.
Especially at Christmas. Because it's Christmas, I'm just going to have that extra chocolate.
Because you'll be at the next day regretting, I didn't eat that. That's how much.
And you see all the family members, the containers taking all the food home. Like, nah, hold on. I need that tomorrow.
I've been places like, why didn't I eat that? I'm hungry now.
Yeah, trust me.
Yeah. It's the anticipation as well. It's the build up to Christmas because you're thinking about all these things. Hey, I'm going to eat this, I'm going to eat that.
Yeah.
You get to the day now. That's why it's key to have the ackee and saltfish early because you get to the day now, you have ackee and saltfish at 2:00 and the day's done.
Yeah.
Your day's done.
You're full up, innit?
You're full up. But, got to give God thanks for the meals, man.
Trust me, man. I like my crumble as well. Dessert, crumble ice cream.
Yeah, man. Custard.
Sometimes.
Crumble has to be with custard, bro.
Custard, yeah?
100%.
Not a custard man,
I like definitely with custard, yeah.
I like custard, but I don't like ice cream.
You can't have custard.
I do like ice cream,
crumble.
I feel like apple crumble and custard is the one.
You have
if
to
it was there, it might be I might take a small little, but I don't want it to mix. I'll be dipping.
Some people mix it, Some people mix the ice cream and the custard. I don't know why.
Nah.
Yeah.
That's not
some people mix it.
It's the same family.
It is.
Same family, but it's cold.
Cold and hot, the contrast, we're good there.
Nah.
Let us know if you do that, guys.
Nah, man, never. Too much.
Yeah. What about the build up, Christmas Eve and that? Like presents, do you get?
It's kind of faded off, The older you get, I don't really get presents.
You get presents for people? Like, who's the main people you get a present for?
For my wife.
Yeah. Obviously the kids. I didn't even know what it is like. I feel like our kids are like 2 years old, yeah. They're like,
they don't care.
If you put a present in there, a cookie, they'll be gas, bro. Put a biscuit in there, bro. They'll be happy. I swear, bro. If you put a £1,000 something, they'll be like, what's this? Cookie, biscuit.
They're playing with the cardboard from the toy.
They play with that cardboard and they're playing around with it. Trust me, the whole day.
Yeah.
That cardboard is
I can't wait because they're a bit older now as well. I feel like they kind of know.
How old are your kids now?
They're two.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are they both the same age?
They're both same age. Yeah. So
same age, man.
I think they'll. What my kids they start to sing Jingle Bells.
That is funny.
They start to sing it. I played it to them once, and then after that they're singing it.
Jingle Bells.
I think it's like
it's funny.
Some kind of celebration of life because obviously they understand the birthday thing. I think Leo thinks it's a birthday as well.
Oh right.
Merry Christmas. Yeah. I think it's someone else's birthday, but I don't know who it is.
Yeah. It's lovely.
It's God's birthday.
It's lovely to see, man.
Guys, so we'll see you soon, guys. But before we go, recipe of the podcast, of course.
My favourite part.
Yeah.
Favourite part.
So we got some spice rum.
Ooh.
We got some spice rum mince pies. Guys, secret recipe.
Lovely.
Exclusive, guys. So
yeah, this is a great recipe. Yeah, man. I tasted it earlier still, can't lie, so it's nice.
Even nicer, like, I know the day after.
The next day, yeah, it's true.
Thank you.
So we've actually used the filling inside that is used for rum cake as well.
Okay.
Yeah. Proper nice.
Yeah. So basically soaked mixed fruits in rum. These actually mixed fruits are actually saved from last year, so actually taste really rum infused. So
good. So good. Like I said before, I'm not really a mince pie fan. Not the biggest fan anyway. But this is so good, man. I can definitely have this with like custard, cream,
milk cream,
homemade as well. Recipe out soon, guys.
Cream or custard or ice cream? Let us know, guys. Merry Christmas, guys.
Obviously cream. Stay tuned.
Peace.